as a buyer, should you attend the home inspection for the property that you're purchasing? My answer is no, and then yes. And here's why. So at first, your inspector is going to get to the property and they're going to thoroughly look through the house for about an hour before you get there. And why it's important that you're not there is if you're over their shoulder asking them a million questions, you're going to distract them and they're not going to be able to do their job properly. But then yes, you should attend the home inspection walkthrough that the inspector is going to present to you. And usually this takes about 15 minutes. The inspectors usually accommodate around your work schedule to be able to do this with you. And he's going to present you any of the issues, and then he'll either show you in person or show you photos and be able to explain to you what's going on inside the house. Why your realtor should be present for you for this portion is because all of you should be able to brainstorm any sort of resolution and be able to present it to the seller if you're going to ask the seller to make those repairs. If there's anything detrimental in the home and you no longer want to proceed forward, the home inspection will also allow you to make that decision as well.